So in this session we are going to know about the off-page submission types like guest posting, press release, blog commenting, business directories, normal directories, social bookmarking, forums, classified, web 2.0 sites, edu sites and gov sites. So you can also submit in all these sites. That will be more advantage. And also I have given you some suggestions and statistical plan, like if you are looking for backlink based, if you are using majorly concentrating on backlinks, concentrate on guest posting. Guest posting is one of the best way to generate backlinks, leads and traffic also. Social bookmarking also one of the best way to generate backlinks. You can use backlinks for the social bookmarking sites. Always go with prefer paid press release. So always choose paid press release, that will be more advantage. And blog commenting, use to do always blog commenting so that you will be having chance of traffic as well as backlinks. Business directories, you are going to generate leads. Forums, you will be having chance of traffic as well as backlink as well as lead. So these will be going to have backlinks. If you want to increase backlinks, concentrate these submissions. If you want to get traffic, concentrate all these things. So whoever want to pull only traffic for the sites, concentrate more submission on this one. If you want to generate leads, focus these sites. So all this why you are doing means we want to pull them to our website so that we can the optimization what we have done in our website, like lead generation strategies, that will going to give more weightage. So we are pulling people to our website so that they are coming to our website so that they can have some content read, they can read content and they can access some information on our website, so that we'll be having more chances providing information, and by providing information we need to convert them by using some commercial element. That strategy if you use, it will going to get more advantage. To convert them, what are the things we have to concentrate, like pop-ups, downloads, PDF, PPT, videos, contest, polls, surveys, quiz, contest, etc. So these things if you concentrate, we'll be having more chances of getting ranking, as well as we'll be having more chances of people will come again and again. In your website, if you are providing some PDF files, he will come regularly to download those PDF files. Rating visitors will be raised. The new visitors you are going to pull more, so that automatic rating will be increased. If you are providing some downloads, he will start downloading your content. Automatically he will be having chances to get ranking factors also for us. Like quiz, polls, means people has to stay more time on our website. So these will increase your ranking factors as well as conversions also. Like that we have to concentrate completely off-page submission. And don't submit blindly what people are giving, though don't submit those things blindly. Why we are submitting, what is the purpose of submitting, that all things we need to know. Then only it will be easy to do submissions. Okay, now coming to the guest posting. So what is guest posting? So guest posting is a place where I have seen one website and I would like to publish my content in that website. So I will approach him and I will ask him that I would like to publish my content, one article on your website. So if he accept, then I am going to give article complete details to that person. He is going to publish that my article in his website. By publishing my article in his website, what is the advantage? So he is going to get free article, then what is the advantage for me? So I am going to get backlinks. So I am going to ask him that the people who are reading my content in your website, so I need to get two links to my website. One should be for home page, another should be for the relevant article. So that from that, like that, from the people who are reading on that particular website, the people who are reading the article particular on website, now he is going to forward to our website. Like that we are going to having more chances to get result oriented. To find out the guest posting, how to search, find out the guest posting. Go to Google and type guest posting sites. You will get bunch of sites list. In that we need to find, we need to approach to the person, we need to follow the guidelines what they are giving. Now suppose this site is there, and another site is there. Go through all these sites. Now here education sites, now education sites is there. Now see Blogdon is there, freelancer folder is there. So these are the sites who are ready to providing guest posting. Now if you want to approach this person, write for us. Now you are going to this website, you are going to give name, first name, email and message. You are telling that I would like to write guest post on your website. Please let me know what are the details you need to I need to provide to you. So that if you are giving the details, if you are providing some content on this site, so automatically will be having chances to get more advantage. So these things you have to concentrate. Like that we are going to approach the site, we are going to ask them, I am ready to write the content on your website. Now once the person has given the content, ready to publish your content, like that we are going to get links, 2 links or 3 links, what are the links you want, it's going to get. So some person has given, this is the person has given the guest post to this person. Now he has given the article, he has taken the 2 links. This guest article by John, want to become a regular contributor, check out my guest posting guidelines. Now what is the guidelines this website person is providing right for us. So this is the guest post guidelines. So they are asking guest blogging at a Blogdon is pretty small because WordPress functionality etc is given. So we have added some feature about the author page. No one can add your social media profiles. Now you can add social media profiles, etc. Now guest posting guidelines. These are the things you have to concentrate when you want to publish your content in this website. So he is asking that the post should be minimum 500 words. The post should be relevant to the blog. Now this blog is relevant to which category? So promotion, blog, tools, SEO, so social media, digital marketing. So we can use it this one. Like that we relevant to the blog and submit article with which will be importance for our reader base. The post must be original and you agree not to post it somewhere else. It means you should not post that article in your website also. That should be completely given right to this person. No affiliate link. If the image being used under a certain license, then you should give it an image credit by linking it to the source. So if you copied the image, suppose you have a content and you have collected the images from other source, that credits also you need to mention in the document file. No affiliate links also, you can't use affiliate links, no affiliate links. Okay, and fill in biography with not more than 2 links. So in biography also you can fill details, so not than 2 links. So this person is given 1 link, so you can use. What are affiliate link? Affiliate link is nothing but how to say, affiliate marketing is like I am going to what I will do is like Snapdeal, Flipkart, all this can be done as affiliate. Means from front end you are going to upload your products in the store. From back end what I will do is I will sell your product. Now you are going to give me some commission. Yeah, that will be there. That will be there. Need not to worry. Okay, so in biograph 2 links we are going to get. So on an average we are getting 2 links. So now what we have to do is, so should I guest post Blogdon? Yes, learn, interact with the community, etc. Increase your logs. So if you want to publish in this website, now first what you have to do is, see, whenever you want to publish some guest post article, you have to concentrate on their domain authority, okay, and page authority and trust flow, traffic. Now if you are doing guest posting, where do you want to get ranking? India. This site also should get ranking from India also. So what you are going to do is, you are going to SimilarWeb, you are going to go to the website SimilarWeb, and domain authority checker Moz and Majestic tool. So I have pasted here website link, search. I have pasted here domain authority, search. See 3949. I have gone to the Majestic SEO. I need to find TrustFlow. No, 17 TrustFlow. It's a super. Citation flow is 35. And traffic, they're raising the traffic 15,000. So we can go with, because domain authority, page authority is high. That is the advantage. So focus all these things. So what we have going to do is, now we are going to approach this person. We are going to write one article. Okay. So we are going to write one article. We'll approach him, this person, and I will tell him that I would like to publish my content on your website behalf of email marketing content or affiliate marketing content. So I'm going to give him content. That content is going to publish in his website. So like that, we'll be having chances to publish our content in his website, so that we'll be having chances to display like this. Now we are going to get some authority to our website. One link, this person is there, another link is this person is there. 2 links, 2 to 3 links he has kept. That is the advantage. So these things, if you concentrate in guest posting, we'll be having more chances to get result oriented. So find out the best way where we can get free guest posting sites, approach them, find out the guidelines what they are providing. Once you know the guidelines, everything, how to approach means, we need to see, already they have given, right? So to do the guest posting here, write for us. Now this is the terms. Okay, now we need to send mail them, contact us. I ready to write, do guest posting. Okay, now I'm going to give him message. I'm going to tell him that I would like to publish my content on our website. Now he's going to send you another mail. Now these are the things you need to go follow. Already I have followed everything you need to say, and you need to give, and you need to ask when it's going to publish. Now once it has been done, then it's going to publish. From here we are going to get backlink. That is how we are going to use guest posting. Like that, we need to collect guest posting sites more, and we need to approach to the people by asking them, I would like to publish the content. So we need to find out these kind of sites more and more. Okay, so this is the task you need to do, is find out the guest posting sites more, and all these things, whatever we are going to discuss, everything you need to make an Excel sheet. And coming to this one, paid press release. So when you are going for press release, now what is press release? Any idea? What is press release? Press release is nothing but, if you want to announce something news, where you will go? Press. You are announcing something offer, like yesterday Narendra Modi announced something news. Yeah. So they have launched it to press, so that they are going to publish. So like that, when we are coming to the press, when you are when you are trying to launch new product, etc. things, you need to go for press release. So there are plenty of press release sites are there. If you go to the Google and search press release sites, and you can find plenty of press release sites, plrlog.org, pr.com, etc. Now if you go into these sites, now we need to collect press release sites. Okay, now once you collected press release sites, so what is the advantage of collecting press release sites, and what we are going to do? So we are going to press release sites, and we will approach that I would like to publish one content on your website. We are going with free of cost. So they are going to give you login details. You are going to provide one content like article, and you are going to publish in their website. Same how we are doing, like example guest posting. Like that we are going to use press release. Nothing but you are going to cite this site. Now this is the news. Now you need to approach them. Now you need to tell, yeah, paid. Just let me complete first. Okay, so you are going to approach them. You are going to give your content, so that they are going to publish your content. But some press release sites will be there that the content what you are providing free of cost, it's going to publish within 30 days. Means you are going to give the details everything, that I am going to announce that next week I am going to run new course, I would like to publish to press. When I given all the data to that press list site, according to the guidelines, their guidelines, what they will do is they will going to check everything. They will tell you that I am going to publish this content within 30 days. By the time your concept has been gone, everything has been gone. So whenever you want to going for press release, when you are announcing something new, better to go with always paid press release rather than free. Paid press release will be more advantage rather than free. Now coming to the paid press release, you need to find out the traffic sites which is getting more traffic. So that what we'll do is we'll approach them and we will ask them that I would like to publish one content on your website so that people can see my content, that tomorrow I'm announcing one new concept. So that like that we have to concentrate. So suppose we have done like this for site. Like Gorami we have done, Gorami in Great Andhra. So we have published our Gorami content in Great Andhra. So we have announced that we are running so and so contest. On December 31st we have announced that Gorami New Year Blast Tournament 1 lakh rupees. So from here they have taken the money and they have published our content in their website. So we have given the content, we have given the images, we have told them that for these links we need to get the link. So like that we are going to get link from Andhra, Great Andhra, so that it will redirect to our website. Like that we will be having chances. Now like this, if you announce, it will be more advantage by giving all these things. And if you want to know more about press release, now this is the indianclicks.lcc. These are the people who have dealt with them. So this is the site. So we can approach this person. They are going to take care everything. What are the press release site you want? Just approach them, give your content, so that they are going to publish your content in press release site. Automatically you are going to get visibility more. That will be more advantage. So from here you are going to get quality based backlink as well as huge traffic. Great Andhra is going to get on an average 50 lakhs traffic, I think so, per month. Like similar web. So it depends upon the budget. So if you are expecting in home page, that will be different. If you are expecting article in other page, that will be different. So like that we need to check each and everything. 70 lakhs traffic they are getting. So out of 70 lakhs, now your ad will be displayed in the home page like this. I'm going to show you how it's going to display. Now these ad will be different, the cost will be different, and when we go into the enter home page, the bold which you are seeing, those are all paid ads, because our ad also has been displayed in bold, and it is going to publish here. So once your ad has been published here, so tomorrow it's going to here, day after tomorrow here, day after tomorrow here, day after tomorrow here, then it's going to decrease. Like that you will be ad showing to the place here. So once you click here, it will redirect to your article like this. So you have clicked here content, so people who visit to this page, they are going to click here, automatically redirect to this page. So like that we will be having chances to see visibility, clicks. From here they are going to click, it will redirect to the website. Like that we will be having more chances to get clicks from press release. So whenever you are running press release, always concentrate only for paid press release rather than free. Clear? Now coming to the blog commenting. So what is the advantage of blog commenting? Now you have read the article, whatever the article are there, that you have read the article and you want to know more about this article, and most of the people do some comments in, see, post comment is there. So by doing post comment, what is the advantage? So people, once you started doing commenting, now I am giving commenting here. So commenting will be there in like Facebook, commenting will be there Quora, commenting will be there with the Google Plays, etc, etc, etc. Now if you are going with your profile and if you are giving links here, whenever the people visit to this page, they will see the comment. So like that we will be having more chances also. Suppose if we go to this one, or if we go to this one, now we are going to read this article. These are the sites. Now these are the people who are given the comment. By giving the comment means whenever we are reading an article, so particular you are searching for the keyword based, okay, and you are searching for the keyword based one article you are reading. So you have like this content and you are coming to the bottom and you are giving the keyword here and you are expressing your comments here, name, mobile number, everything, post comment. By giving the comments like that, what will be the advantage? So whenever user click here, it will redirect to the website. Whenever user click here, if you go with another one, like not and this one, this is the website, okay. So actually this person is not having, so like this you will be having chances to get clicks. So once people see your comment, you will be having backlinks chances. So we have to concentrate majorly on like this. Whenever user click here, it will redirect to the website. So by giving the comments in the article below, like blog commenting, so that we'll be having chances to get backlinks by doing the commenting. So we have to concentrate all these things. Now don't give comments normally. We need to read the content completely. We need to see how people have given the comments. According to that, you also should give the comments. Then only it will be having advantage. Otherwise there won't be any advantage. So concentrate all these things, okay. So we have to concentrate to get more blog commenting. Prefer link based sites, that will be give you more advantage, so that people don't say only your content, people also going to click on that, it will redirect to your website. Like that we will be having more chances to get result oriented. So like that blog commenting going to helpful. So when you are reading something article, you want to get link from blog commenting. So what you will do, you will research for the keyword, and the keyword whatever you type, like tools list for video marketing. Now you are seeing some tools list which persons have published, that you are reading the content. By reading the full content, you are going to express some feelings on that content. So you are going to write in comment that your article is good, I have liked your content. So these are some other tools which I would like to mention. Now these are the link. If you want to know more, click here, you are going to say. So the people who are coming to read that article, they are also going to see these comments, and we will be also having chances to get clicks by doing this kind of commenting. Like that we are going to get backlink. Like that we are going to have chances of authority for our website from one article to another article. So these things we have to concentrate from blog commenting, okay. One second. So next is business directives. Now coming to the business directives, what is business directives? Suppose if you go to the Google and if I type digital marketing course in Google Paddy like that, so the content what you are seeing, now this is a business directory, and this is also a business directory, this is also a business directory, this is also a business directory. So we need to concentrate all these things. So you need to submit your website in these business directories, so that you will be having chances to get result oriented, okay. So we have to concentrate on all these things. So once you people clicked on this, it will show you all the places what are there. So you are going to submit here, you are going to get some reviews here. By doing all these things, the people who are coming to these sites, they are going to find your website, they are going to give a call to you, so that like that we will be having chances generating leads for our business. So always we need to find out business directories. How can we find business directories? Means by pasting the keyword, primary keyword, automatic business sites list also coming in the ranking. So find out these kind of keyword list of sites, start submitting our content in those sites. Majorly these things you have to consider. That will going to give more weightage. Clear? Now coming to the directories. Directories is nothing but like telephone directory is there. So in telephone directories plenty of numbers will be there. Now if you want to search something, what you will do according to the letter based, you are going to search and you will understand which phone number you want. Like that directories also will be there, like business directories already we have done, and normal directories we are going to submit our website in those directories, so that the people who goes to the directories, now they are going to find our website. Like if you want to know about directories, now go to Google and type directories submission list. Now find out the directories. Which one is? See, this is the directory. This is also a directory. Go to this place and submit site. So which category you belongs to? Computers and internet or business. Find out that category and submit your site. So whenever people visit this one, they will find out your category, everything, then they are going to give a call to you. So that is how directory is going to helpful. Just to generate backlink we are going to use directories. To generate business we are going to use business directories. Okay. Social bookmarking. Now coming to the social bookmarking. So when we are reading some books, what we will do, if we are reading some books, meanwhile if you want to go some outside, what you will do, you will bookmark that page. Okay, from there you need to start reading. Or when you visit any page and if you want to like this page, what you will do, you will bookmark it. Okay, so like that we are going to bookmark. So coming to the online also, there are plenty of sites are there where we can bookmark our website in those sites. By doing that we will be having chance of generating backlink. That is the advantage. So we are going to find out social bookmarking sites. We are going to submit our website in those areas, so that we will be having chances to get result oriented. So we have to concentrate all these things. Like Pinterest, you will going to get Delicious, StumbleUpon, all these things are social bookmarking sites only. Not only those things, there are plenty of sites are there, bookmark manager, all these things. We need to find out domain authority, page authority, then we need to concentrate on submitting. So these are the bookmarking sites. Now you are going to submit your website. So whenever you click here, it will directly open the site, and if you click here, you can find out the link of the site, so that you can get some visibility. Like that social bookmarking going to get more advantage for backlinks. That is a major purpose for social bookmarking. Clear? Yeah, all this to be done practically, then only you will understand. Now you just need to understand what is social bookmarking, what is directories, what is block commenting, etc. Okay. And coming to the forums. Forums is a place where you can generate leads, you can generate traffic, you can generate backlink. That is the advantage from forums. So when you are doing forums, try to focus 5 forums only. Try to focus major traffic which is getting 5 forums. So what is the advantage of going with 5 forums? Means top 5 forums you need to select. So you need to keep on engaging in those forums. You need to start showing the content more, you need to start sharing the content more, and you need to provide any information they are asking you. Now suppose Black Hat World is there. So this is the forum. So this is completely digital marketing forum. I'm going to register here, I'm going to log in here, and I'm going to start communicating with these people. So what I will ask is, majorly we need to concentrate in these forums. The views should be more, reply should be less, because so that we'll be having chances to give more reply. That is the advantage. So find out reply should be less and views should be more. So we'll be having more chances. Now SEO tips for 2016 has given. Views 14 has been seen, reply 1% has given. Now if you give reply, the person what is asking, if you give reply, you will be having chances like here. Now you will be having chances to use website link. Now these Black Hat SEO world is getting traffic on an average 1 crore like that. The authority will be 80 or for 60 or 70 authorities there. So if you are getting more backlinks for your visibility, receive everything, if you are getting, if your people are clicking on that link, so we will be having some traffic to our website. That is a major advantage we will be having. So these things you have to concentrate on the forums. So how we are going to do is, we are going to register here, we'll find out the people who are raising the question, there we are going to give the comments. Like that we will be having more chances to get visibility. So forums, that's why we doesn't, if you, in forums what we have to do is, we need to keep on communicating. So if you go with 5 forums, that will be more advantage. That 5 forums also should get heavy traffic, and then only we'll be having more chance to get visibility. So these things we need to concentrate in the forums. Register here, find out the reviews we're getting more, and give the replies. Automatically you will be having chances to get visibility. And you can also sell in here, and you can also make some business here also. So the people who are, now you want to selling something, and people will come to here, people will see it, people will purchase it. That is the advantage by using forums. So if you have any product, you can sell here. That is a major advantage you will be having. So these concepts we have to concentrate in the forum based. Forums is a community. There we are going, if anyone raises question, we are going to give the solution. If we want some solution, we are going to raise the question. Or if you have any products, the first thing what you have to do is, sometimes we need to raise the question, sometimes we need to give the answer. So once we're getting some traffic, once you're getting some little bit traffic, then you can go for launching products, that I have a product, I would like to sell it everything. So people will know you, so that people will started communicating you, so that you can get business. And if your website is placed in the forum, automatically the authority will be increased, and you are going to get quality based traffic. That is the advantage if you go with forums. Okay. Now coming to the classifieds. So classifieds means what? Classifieds means nothing but ads. Now like OLX. So OLX, or what other things are there? And Just Dial. Just Dial also is one of the classified. So Just Dial, Quicker also is a classified. So what we are going to do is, we are going to publish our content in these sites, Just Dial, OLX, Quicker. So by doing publishing our content, we are announcing that we are providing digital marketing training, so that who are interested, they can join in our institute. So the people who are coming to Just Dial, they will search for digital marketing course in Kukatpally. Now if people are searching like this, now if your institute is on the top, now automatically you will be having chances to get visibility. So we have to concentrate to submit our website in these sites also. So we are announcing that we are providing course, who are interested, they can visit us. Like that we will be having more chance to get visibility. So concentrate on classified side, submit your website in those classifieds, so the people when search, your ad can be displayed. We'll be having chances to get visibility, we'll be having chances to get leads for our website through classified also. That is the advantage. If you go to the OLX, and if you search here at present no one is there. Now this is the best way you need to go. So furniture, book, fashion, real, jobs and service. So Kukatpalli no one is there. See, so many people are there. So this person also providing, certified also. So these will increases your ranking factors. So these things you have to concentrate. So like that you are going to having chances. Now once people are search here, automatically you will be having chances to contact this person. That is the advantage you will be having. So focus all these things so that you can get some visibility in Google's in Google search engine as well as in classifieds also. That will increase your ranking factors, increase your leads also. That is the advantage. Clear? Next, Web 2.0. Web 2.0 is nothing but like WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr. So all this comes under Web 2.0 sites. If your website is having HTML site, integrate WordPress for blog. Okay, so if it doesn't integrate blog, so there is no chance of getting ranking. So when you are ready to integrate blog, better to go with WordPress blog. It is a Web 2.0 site, will be having more weightage so that your website can get ranking easily. So if you are using, always integrate site, blogger should be always internal blog, not external blog. Never use external blog, always use internal blog. Okay, so if you have internal blog, no need of going again these two. If you internal blog is nothing but like online SEO trainer is there. Now this is site, I have integrated internal here only. If it is external, now the site will be different. Okay, so when you are integrated internal blog, no need of going for again Web 2.0. So if you want to go for again Web 2.0, always prefer blogspot, because blogger is a Google's product. It will be more chances you will be having to get into ranking. So go to the blogger, create domain and write content in blogger and give blogger to your website links. That is how it's going to pull the traffic from blogger to domain. That is also comes under inbounding marketing. So can we have 1 second? Yeah, we can integrate. So how we have done blogspot to convert to domain, same like that we can use it. Means you want to integrate website completely internal, like internal.
Actually, if I have HTML website,
Hmm.
so in the HTML website itself, I can create a page called blog.
Hmm.
So in that, do I need to create this WordPress?
No. See, WordPress you're talking about, or you're talking about Blogger?
Blogger only. For blogger, we need to have the WordPress.
WordPress, Blogger, those are different platforms. Blogger also we can integrate. I mean, Blogger is nothing but Blogspot. I'm talking about Blogspot. This is WordPress. Blogger can't integrate in our HTML site, but WordPress can be integrated in our website HTML site.
Why to integrate that? Because we can create post in HTML also. Blog.
You can create post in HTML. Do you have any website like that? Now you are saying XYZ site is there. So in that blog is there or not?
Yeah, if it is blog is there.
Now once if this blog is there, no need of going these two, these three also. If it is blog is there, it is not there, and this site is completely HTML site. Now we need to concentrate on WordPress blog. Means the blog should be WordPress, so that it will be more easy to update the content, add the plugin in that WordPress blog.
So this WordPress can be integrated to HTML.
HTML. Nothing but you are going to connect that blog link to the website. Okay, but you can't go with Blogger. Blogger will be always additional external. Now there you are going to write the content and you are in this content you are going to give the link to the website.
So if we if it is blogger, then it will go like xyz.blogspot.com.
You can go like xyz.blogspot.com. So by going like this xyz.blogs, now this is completely external link. Okay, in this you are writing the content and giving the giving the links to the website. Okay, so we should Tumblr also you can use. Means there are plenty of things are there, but prefer Blogger. Why? Because it's a Google's product. That is the advantage. It doesn't mean that you should not use Tumblr. It doesn't mean that you should not use Blogger or WordPress. First priority goes to the WordPress. Second priority goes to the Blogger. Third, Tumblr. Because WordPress have plenty of plugins, it is easy to integrate, easy to promote. Next, if it doesn't have chances for WordPress, better to go with Blogger because it's a Google's product. Okay, clear?
Blogger
Hmm.
blog has a particular format which can be available only with these two.
See, this is another site. Tumblr also will be having same like how Blogger is there, like the Tumblr also will be there. So we can use that one. Means if it is necessary, you need to create site. Additional sites you are going to create, update the content in those sites, and giving links to your website. Understand? So like that we are going to increase traffic from Blogger, Tumblr, WordPress also. Clear? Now coming to this one, .edu sites, .gov site. Like some .edu sites will be there and .gov sites will be there. From there, if you have chance, get a link from those extension sites so that that authority will be raised high. It will be having more advantage if you go with these kind of sites. Need to find those kind of sites, get approach with them and get link from their website to our website. That will be more advantage. Like these kind of thing, like engineering colleges. So some different colleges will be there which is having educational sites and GOV sites. So if you have chance, give your link over there so that it can pull more authority to your website. That is how these EDU and GOV sites going to helpful to get into ranking easily. So the process what we are going to do is everything for of a submission. So to get ranking, to get visibility easily, for the anchor based text what we are going to use, and majorly we have to concentrate for to get more clicks so that people can visit to our website so that we can get ranking easily. So these things we have to concentrate. Okay. Yeah, is it clear, right? Okay, now what we have to do is, so the content what we have here, now we need to collect on an average 20 links for each category. Now go to this one. I'm going to show you how we have collected. So where is our website? Off page links. Now this is the site. So you need to maintain like these sites more, because so if you go to the classifiers, now you need to collect the sites and you need to maintain like this: website link, listing type, traffic, domain authority, page authority, trust flow, name, submission, username, password. In that username, password you need to give, and submission process. So these things you have to concentrate, because we need to collect the site, because this is asset you need to maintain. So every time when the website we are going to take, whenever we are going to take the website, we need to find out the links and we need to start doing submission. If you doesn't have links, you can't do submission. So always we need to keep a maintained database. How collecting all the databases, collecting all the bookmarking sites, social bookmarking sites. These for now, these I'm going to share you last, because this is a practice you need to do. Okay, the just note it on this one: website link, listing type, traffic, domain authority, page authority, trust flow, name, submit URL. Okay, so I will do one thing: I will remove all the links and I will send you this sheet. Now you need to and you need to do is you need to search, you need to collect, because that habit you need to get. So once you get that habit, what happens, you can find easily content more. Now if I give you all these things, what happen, you are just following me, so you are not using any other chances to increase more how to search all the things. So focus all the things. By tomorrow I want at least 20 classifiers, the things what are there: guest posting, press release, blog commenting, everything what are there. 20 sites you need to collect. Huh?
Keep one column because I will know what to.
Two, I will keep two these things, same all the things two I am going to keep, so that you will understand. Okay, so you need to go to Google and type classified sites list like that. The collect the content, check whether it is free or paid, check whether the traffic it is getting from India or not, what is the domain authority, what is the page authority, what is the trust flow, and who has collected, that you need to give. Okay, and then you need to send me that sheet. I'm going to update here everything. Tomorrow I'm going to show you completely practical. Okay, clear? So do you have any doubts? This sheet I'm going to share it with you later on. I'm going to share the sheet, but the practice should be done first. Means you need to keep on collecting, and don't stop collecting, because that collection will be going to helpful in future. So concentrate all these things. Okay, okay. I'm going to update within half an hour. I'm going to render all the things. I'm going to update all the things. Audio, yesterday's also I'm going to update these files, everything. PPT, these file and sheet you are going to get.
One more thing is, suppose like after completion of the sound page, I need to apply for the analytics.
SEO is going to complete day after tomorrow, Friday.
So I need to
Start. I'm going to show you how to apply the analytics, where to apply, what are the details you need to give, everything. Start read the content first of all, then start applying the analytics. Okay, so Friday night I'm going to show Friday night I'm going to show you how to apply the analytics exam. Prepare for the exam up to 1 week and try to implement yourself only up to 18th. In between 18th, read the content, what analytics content are there, and apply the exam on 18th or 16th whenever you are free. If you are not able to get the subject, if you are not able to pass the subject, let me know. I am going to write the exam. I am going to give you certification.
and how from where I will read like.
That all links I am going to show you on Friday. Okay, clear? Okay, right.
Material also.
I am going to send you material also. Complete material also you are going to get. Okay, on Friday, once the Friday has been sessions fully completed, I am going to send you the material completely. Okay, Right.
Okay.
Okay, correct. Bye. Bye.